Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to give you a rundown guide of our automations module. So to find your automations module in your automation account, you just scroll here on the left hand side and you click on automation, and this will bring you to the home screen of the automations module. Now, Nevanto Automation's core feature is the ability to do cross-channel automation with your customers via email, SMS, web push, retargeting, and you can even do your own custom webhooks on your website. So you can do this from contact behaviors via avenues including things like open emails, filling out forms, making purchases, and there's a whole lot of other triggers in your account that you can utilize. So I just want you to know that automation in Nevanto Automation is not just for communicating with your customers, but you can also use automations internally to organize tasks with your team members. Have internal notifications, you can do list creation, tagging on contacts, profiles, cleanups, sunset policies, and there's tons more that you can utilize as well. So automation really organizes your front-facing communication as well as your internal task assignments. So it's really the core of your platform account. So on screen here, we're just going to show you here the different bits and pieces. So you see here is a list of all your automations. Now these are just a few ones that we have in this demo account. So you can see here completed. So this means anybody that has run through that full automation workflow sequence that has completed those. You'll see in the pending column is if you have delays within your automation of maybe sending an email and then sending an email maybe 3 days later, you'll see that the pending contacts that are waiting for the subsequent email would be here in pending. You just see when it was created. Your status then is an off and on. So what we suggest is you build out your automation, all your messages, have everything right, and then when you're ready to go and launch, then you click the on status just on that. Now you can also search automations, and you have then the different options if you wanted to deselect some of the items. So we'll just take off pending here, so you can see now it has disappeared. Let's just click back on that. Now here you have your analytics button, so you can see all your rundown of everything within that automation. And also then we have a drop down arrow here, so you can edit, you can duplicate, you could also add it to a task or create a new task. So if you wanted a team member maybe to look at one piece or edit something, you can quickly create a task and throw it to a task board that you could have created within the platform. Now another item here we just want to show you is here on the right hand side, you'll see automation templates. So what we've done is we've added a guide of templates for you, so you don't have to recreate the wheel every time. Now I have a different video on how to build out an automation from scratch and what you need to get your fully built automation, and in this I would show you how to edit any of these templates as well if you wish to do so. So I recommend checking out that video because there's lots of info in that of how to do it from scratch, as I said. So here you can see a range of the pre-built options we have for you. It's a very powerful library and you don't have to do a standing start, so you can leverage what we have here for you. So you can see here all the different categories that you can select. So we'll just select here for example of e-commerce. So you can see here all the e-commerce options. So again, it's just a very quick and easy way to filter out the different categories of what you're looking for within the automation pieces. Now on the top here, you can view your automation messages. So these are the messages that would be sent to contacts that link to certain actions within an automation. Now you can see here, and just click on create automation messages. So you can see here you have email, browser push, and SMS templates. We'll be doing separate videos for these, so you can have a tune into those just to see how the different facets work on those. But just one thing I've mentioned before and I just want to mention again is the difference between automation emails and then email campaigns in your email module that I'm just highlighting there. Now both are created within the Nevanto automation account and you'll always be able to copy them across to either or, but automation email messages are just utilized within your automation workflow actions, whereas email campaigns, which I'm just covering here now with your email campaigns, in your email module are just one-off emails, like newsletters, or maybe an update you wanted to send out to contacts. It'd be more of a blast email. So if you're planning on building out a sequence of mails that you want to send to people, like a drip campaign and things like that, you would do all that inside of your automation under the tab automation messages. Right here, click your automation messages, create your automation message, and then that will be popped into this repository of your automation messages, and then within your actual automation workflow you can link to that. Finally, just to create an automation, you just scroll to the right hand side here and you click on create automation, and then you'll be taken to the automation builder, which we'll actually go through in depth in a different video. So that's the video for today. If you've any other questions or need help with anything else, please submit a help desk ticket and we'd be delighted to help out. Thanks very much for reviewing today, and we'll see you in the next training video.